I just wanted to give a shout out to Jordan Mackey and recommend his course to anyone who might be looking to make money on YouTube, whether it's with AdSense or affiliate marketing. First of all, Jordan is a great guy, and he's always, really professional. He's around to help, and there's no doubt Jordan's course has opened the door to making money with YouTube, let alone potential life-changing money with YouTube and the ability to work from home for yourself. And also, I just want to mention that the Buy 9 to 5 group that comes with it is amazing. Just in itself is huge value. There's always somebody around to answer questions. There's a lot of engagement and information in the group. A lot of people answering questions and giving advice. It's been really helpful for me. So if you're looking to make money with YouTube, I highly recommend it and encourage you to check it out.